In front of me is HONOR X7d, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Since I'm getting a lot of questions about one-handed mode, I tested it before recording to show you exactly how to use it. Let's begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down right away. When you're ready, tap on Accessibility Features and then access one-handed mode available at the top. Now the best part, you can activate it thanks to gray switcher next to one-handed mode and follow all of those instructions to use it right away. I use Tricky's navigation, so I have to slide my finger across the button of the screen. If you are using gestures though, do exactly the same, just after sliding, hold. Anyway, when I do that, one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, tap on dark area, and if you want to use your screen on an opposite side, just swipe in an opposite direction. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!